Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix OpenGL error 65543 in Minecraft tree launcher. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First step is to update your graphics card driver. To do this, right click on the start icon, select device manager, expand the display adapter section and right click on the drivers you are using it, select update driver. Select search automatically for driver. The best drivers for your device are already installed. You just need to click on search for updated drivers on Windows Update. You can also update it. Click on check for updates. If any updates available in here, you just need to update it guys. After doing this step, close out of here. For the second step, you just need to check my video description guys. I will be given Java website link. You just need to click on the download Java and download it. After getting download done, click on it and install it guys. Click on yes, click on install. After successfully installed Java, close out of here. Now open T launcher. Now you just need to allow the access for Windows Defender guys. Click on allow access. After doing this, you just need to select the version of the latest release. After selecting it, click on the settings gear icon. Select settings. In selection Java, you just need to select the change option over here. Click on it and click on the browse. We have downloaded Java. You just need to locate it guys. For that, click on the browse. You will be getting the Java in here. You just need to click on it and select open it guys and click on save. After saving it, close out of here. Now we just need to restart your PC guys. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys, and you can also subscribe me and support me. Thank you.